Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, India may gain observer status in Germany's 6th Gen FCAS program. In a significant development for India's defense and aerospace industry, Germany is in talks with partner nations that could allow India to join the 6th generation Future Combat Air System or System de Combat Aérien du Futur program as an observer country. However, before India can gain this status, Germany needs approval from France and Spain, both of whom are co-developers in the program. It granted observer status. India would gain unique insights into the development of a next-gen fighter systems while also opening up opportunities for its private sector to participate in the program's supply chain. Next, Boeing may withdraw FA-18 Super Hornet from IAF's MRFA tender. Boeing Defense has indicated that it may soon withdraw its FA-18 Block 3 Super Hornet from contention in the MRFA tender for 114 jets. This potential decision comes as Boeing faces the prospects of shutting down the Super Hornet production line by 2027, primarily due to a lack of new orders and limited interest from potential international customers. Consequently, Boeing is shifting its focus to the F-15EX, a platform it hopes will have broader appeal in India and other markets. Next, TASL to match Bharat Forge's price of ATAGS contract. In a significant development of India's artillery modernization program, Tata Advanced Systems has agreed to match the lowest bid price set by Bharat Forge Limited for the 6,000 crore contract to supply 307 ATAGS, that is Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System, to the Indian Army. The contract will now be split between the two companies, both of which were development partners of the gun, in a 60-40 ratio. Next, Russia starts Su-75 Checkmate fighter development. Sergei Korotkov, Deputy General Director of United Aircraft Corporation, a subsidiary of Rostec, has announced that the Su-75 Checkmate, Russia's 5th generation light single-engine stealth fighter, is progressing at an advanced stage of development. Speaking to Russia's state-owned TASS news agency, Korotkov emphasized the growing international interest in the aircraft and its potential market. Next, Bharat Forge ATAGS to go into production. Bharat Forge Limited has secured a significant contract with over 6,000 crore from the Indian Army to supply 307 advanced towed artillery gun systems. The development paves the way for the production of the ATAGS, a state-of-the-art artillery system developed indigenously by DRDO. Both Tata Advanced Systems Limited and Bharat Forge have been instrumental in developing their own variants of the ATAGS, leveraging the technological know-how shared by DRDO. While both companies have showcased impressive capabilities, Bharat Forge variant has been selected for production. Next, INS Brahmaputra restoration underway. Nearly 4 months after a devastating fire engulfed the Indian Navy warship INS Brahmaputra at the Mumbai Naval Dockyard, the restoration process has reached a significant milestone. The ship, which was undergoing a refit at the time of the July incident, has been successfully moved from the site of the fire. The fire had caused extensive damage to the warship, tragically resulting in the loss of one sailor's life. The vessel also suffered severe structural damage. Next, Indian Army orders P-7 heavy drop parachute system. India's military capabilities have received a significant boost with the successful development and indigenous P-7 heavy drop parachute system. This advanced system, engineered by the Ordnance Parachute Factory, will enable the Indian Army to rapidly deploy critical equipment and personnel to remote and inaccessible locations. Thank you.